You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these phrases for more confusing pronunciations in English and vocabulary. Make sure to stay tuned to the channel. We got tons coming up for you that is very interesting. So the British English pronunciation here is as laundry, laundry detergent, laundry detergent. American English pronunciation, US, laundry detergent. So the second word has the same pronunciation, the first one is a little bit different. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.